Politically, DMK and ADMK, both of them are corrupt parties. Today, I want to congratulate the people of Tamil Nadu that they have now an honest political alternative. Next time when you go out to vote, you don't have to vote for corrupt party. Now you can vote for an honest party. Now you can vote for Kamal Hassan. Friends, we started a small party, Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi, 4 years back. And when we started that party, within 1 year, in the elections, the people of Delhi rejected both BJP and Congress. People of Delhi rejected both BJP and Congress, and they gave 67 out of 70 seats to Aam Aadmi Party. By the kind of response that I am seeing today, there is so much of energy, there is so much of hope in the people of Tamil Nadu. I am very sure, Kamal Hassan ji, that people of Tamil Nadu will break the record of people of Delhi. We are in power in Delhi for the last 3 years. It's a very honest government in Delhi. And my experience of the last 3 years shows that if you have an honest government, everything is possible. Everything is possible if you have an honest government. Friends, there is no dearth of money in the government. There is only dearth of good intentions. So if you have an honest government, everything is possible. Today Delhi is witnessing a complete transformation, some kind of a revolution in government schools, in hospitals, water sector, electricity. In every single sector, Delhi is witnessing a complete transformation and revolution. And I can see that the people of Tamil Nadu are now ready. The people of Tamil Nadu are ready to throw out DMK and ADMK and bring Mr. Kamal Hassan to power. Friends, if you want corruption, go and vote for DMK and ADMK. But if you want schools, vote for Kamal Hassan. If you want corruption, vote for DMK and ADMK. If you want hospitals, if you want road, if you want water, if you want electricity, vote for Kamal Hassan. In the end, I want to again congratulate all of you. And as I said, the people of Delhi started this trend of voting for new honest political parties. People of Delhi voted 67 out of 70 seats. Now it is the chance of people of Tamil Nadu to break the record of people of Delhi. Thank you so much. And again, I congratulate all of you. My best wishes, heartfelt, sincere wishes to Shri Kamal Hassan ji for his political journey. Vanakkam.